Hello and welcome. My name is Andrew Reed, and today we're going to talk about proposal templates and show how they can save you time when you need to start a new proposal. Proposal templates simplify the setup process of new proposals by storing default proposal properties in a proposal template, which can then be used when a new proposal is created. When a proposal template is selected, all the predefined properties are automatically added to your new proposal's properties, which saves you a ton of time that otherwise would be spent on entering each proposal property. Let's begin with creating a new proposal template. There are three methods that can be used to create a new proposal template. You can enter the proposal properties manually in a blank template, copy the proposal properties from an existing proposal, or copy the properties from an existing template. In this video, I'll be copying the properties from an existing proposal. I'll start by opening the Proposal Template tab in the navigation pane. Then, right-click the Proposal Templates folder and select New Template from Proposal. In the window that opens, I need to select the proposal that I want to copy the proposal properties from. I'll go ahead and select the Watchtower version 0 proposal and click OK. This will open the properties for the template with all the properties copied from the Watchtower proposal that I'd selected. Now, I just need to name the template and then click OK to save the template. Now that the template is created, let's use it to build a new proposal. Select the Proposals tab in the navigation pane, then right-click the Proposals folder and select New Proposal from Template. This will open a window with all the proposal templates in your database. So here, I'll select the template that we just created and click OK. This will upload all the information saved on the template into the proposal properties of the new proposal. In the properties of the new proposal, all the fields will be populated except for the period of performance, the resource allocation page, and the phases page. These need to be defined each time a new proposal is created using a proposal template. Currently, this proposal does not use resource allocations or phases, so we will not be defining those pages. We will need to set the new period of performance and also enter a name for the proposal. After all this is set, I'll click OK to save and create the new proposal. We have now created a proposal that is ready for task and resource input faster than ever. There's also some capabilities that the proposal templates share with proposals. First, you have the option to lock a proposal template to keep anyone from editing the template. You can also assign access tags to restrict access and the ability to view each template for certain users. This gives you the utmost control over who can use, view, or edit the proposal templates. Proposal templates also can be archived and restored in a different database, just like proposals. This allows for prime contractors, interdivisional business units, and subcontractors to all share their proposal templates with ease. To show you how this is done, I'll archive the template we just created and restore it in a separate database. I'll start by clicking the External Data ribbon and finding the Archive group. Select the Proposal Template button to open the Template Archive window. In this window, I will need to select where I want to save the archive file on my computer by clicking this button right over here. This opens a file explorer that lets me choose where to save the file. Then, in the archive list, I can choose which templates to archive with the Add and Remove buttons, and I can define the file names for the archive templates. Down here are some more options that determine how the file is saved. Once all this is defined, I will click Process. Now that the archive file is saved, I can use it to restore the templates in another database. Right here, I have another instance of ProPricer already open, and it is connected to a separate database. I'll start by accessing the External Data ribbon, finding the Restore group, and selecting the Proposal Templates button to open the Restore Proposal Template window. This automatically opens a file explorer, which I'll use to select the template archive file and open it. Now I can see the template in the Restore list. I can define some settings that determine how the file is imported down here. After that is done, I'll click Process. As you can see, the template is now available in my Proposal Templates list right over here. Let's review what I've covered in today's episode. First, I covered one of the three methods of creating your own proposal template by copying the properties from an existing proposal into a new template. Then, I showed you how the template can be used to create a new proposal. I also pointed out some of the ways to protect your proposal templates from unwanted changes by locking the template or using access tags. Lastly, I showed the ability to archive these templates to send to another ProPricer database to be restored in. This allows related companies to share proposal templates with ease. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer, please email us directly. Again, my name is Andrew Reed, and as always, thanks for watching.